In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox account location. So first, let's go up to the settings and then click here to settings. And over here, you'll see your account information. Just scroll down and you'll see account location. As you can see, there's no drop down like it was in the previous versions of Roblox. There's just the text saying your location. And if you would like to change this location, then to change it, you have to contact Roblox support. So go to roblox.com/support, and over here you just fill in this form. So this is your Roblox username, your real name, and then your email that you use in Roblox, so this one. And then you'll see what device you're having the problem on. Just select whatever device you're on, and then over here in the help category type, select how to, and then how to change my location. And they'll show you this article right here, and if you enter this article, it'll show you how they calculate your location or find your location. As you can see, it says it automatically detects and updates your account location. So if you're removed, as it says here, then just wait for the system to update your account. But if you just want to change your account, then you can just describe your issue here, and you can say something like this: I'd like to change my location. The current location on my account is inaccurate. Thanks. And yeah, just click continue, and it will send a ticket, and they'll get back to you in a few hours or days, depending on how busy they are. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.